In today's video, we are in Pattaya, Thailand, checking into the brand new 5-star Samsara Hotel. Positioned as one of the more modern luxury options in the city, the hotel promises stylish rooms, strong facilities, and an elevated experience in a central location. But as always, we are here to find out whether it actually delivers or if it's all style and no substance. If you're new around here, welcome. My name's Jordan and I make videos about luxury travel experiences from around the world. So if that sounds like your kind of content, make sure to hit subscribe. Now, let's get into today's video. First impressions, very clean, very fresh. The decor is impressive with a ground floor bar, coffee shop and an in-house restaurant all flowing nicely together. The whole space feels open, modern and well thought out. The room itself looks super fresh with plenty of space to relax. The bed was extremely comfortable and the TV comes with Netflix, which honestly feels essential these days. You've got a complimentary minibar included, which is always a nice touch. I would love to have seen some local beers in there, but the M&M chocolate bar was a nice little bonus. The bathroom is also very spacious and comes fully equipped with everything you'd need. No balcony in this room, which might matter to some, but personally, it wasn't a deal breaker for me. This is where the hotel really stood out. The bartender delivered genuinely exceptional service. Very interactive, very engaging, and clearly passionate about what he does. He even went off menu and created a few custom cocktails using local ingredients, which was a great touch. Definitely above and beyond expectations. The in-house dining was another highlight. Chef Tiger did an excellent job with the Thai dishes. Everything was packed with flavour and tasted incredibly fresh. I followed the waiter's recommendations for the starter and it did not disappoint. Krapow is always my go-to when in Thailand, and this one absolutely hit the spot. The gym is well equipped with a solid range of equipment, a Smith machine, free weights, cable machines, and a good selection of cardio. Everything felt well spaced out and in top condition. The rooftop pool is beautiful, no doubt about it. That said, I do have one concern. When the hotel reaches full capacity, it might feel a little small for the number of guests. Right now, not all floors are open, so it's something to keep in mind if you're planning to spend a lot of time up here. The breakfast buffet offers a wide range of options for all tastes. Again, the quality of the food was impressive, and it was great to see a variety of international options, including several Indian dishes. For a brand new hotel, I think Samsara offers very good value for money. It's still finding its feet. Check-in was a little shaky, with staff clearly still learning, but they were friendly, professional and got the job done. Where this hotel really shines is in its food and beverage offering. The quality is high and the service in these areas generally excellent. I wouldn't say it's the most luxurious property in Pattaya, but it's definitely a high quality option and one I'd happily return to. And one final tip, the coffee at the ground floor cafe is an absolute must if you stay here. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like and subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.